Hi, this is Patrick from Inaxsys Security. Past few weeks we've been talking about the LegendNX cameras and NVRs. Today I'm going to show you how to enroll a LegendNX camera into an NVR. So, camera, patch cord, cable, connected to port 5 at the back. All right, while the magic happens, and the magic is not really magic, it's actually network related. So basically what the camera is doing, it's booting up from the PoE power. Once it's powered up, it's gonna ask the network, the DHCP, for an IP address, which will be in the 172.16 range that I showed you in another video. Now that it's connected, oops, come on, let's go see here. Settings, camera. Oh, it's asking me for login. Good. All right. Once the camera is connected, it's gonna show up. So I've connected the camera to port 5 back here. If you see here, something just happened. Camera 5. Oh, see, this is a little thingy that says you can play the camera. That's the address of the camera. It's connected, 4 megapixels, 16:9. Second screen is D1. Move that way. So the protocol is LegendNX. That's the model of camera using IP port, this one, and the firmware of the machine. So basically, you're all done. Oh, that's me, right? So I'm connected on camera 5. Camera 5, up and running. See me on the video, so it's all good. Just a little explanation on this. If I connect the camera, if I have an NVR with an embedded switch, an embedded PoE switch, it's gonna have ports at the back. So I can just plug it in there and it's fine. It's gonna use the internal DHCP and all this little stuff, that's fine. If I have a bigger model, so the 32 channels, as well as the 64 channels, do not have an embedded PoE switch. So you need to use an external PoE switch. But if that switch is connected to the second IP port of the machine, the DHCP will work as the smaller machine. So if you use an external switch and if you connect it to the right port, it'll use the DHCP internal from the machine anyways. So that's another way to connect it. So if you have any more questions, please contact your sales department or to our website at inaxsys.com. Remember, Inaxsys is the manufacturer of LegendNX products, and those products are all NDAA compliant. Thank you.